Hello, Kamets. Good afternoon. I am Megha Hooli, second year master student in business analytics and the current president of Graduate Student Assembly. I am here today representing Graduate Student Assembly and I'm honored to represent almost 9,000 graduate students at UT Dallas. Here, thanks for the help of President Benston making we as a governing body and many other supporters at the university. This was a significant step ensuring all the graduate students' voices will be always represented in campus. In the past year, GSA has fought for the initiative related to pandemic, like TA insurance waiver, diversity, and many more, and many events which will positively impact graduate students. As Dr. Prakash was saying that the TA insurance waiver was really helpful for all the graduate students. Now that we're all back to the school, we have different problems. Like the current GSA team is working on mental health struggles, back to schools, TARA stipend increase, and better connectivity at UT Dallas public transport, which is a drought issue which is one of the biggest issue for all the grad students. Diversity initiative and many more. I can assure you that GSA will continue to fight for those goals over the upcoming years and beyond until the change occurs. As a student governing body, our sole purpose is to improve overall experience of you as a graduate students at UT Dallas. We organize on-campus events, engage with university, departments, and organizations to push for initiatives that would benefit you. Hence, I urge all the grad students to attend events and initiatives. These events will allow you to learn about the faculties or facilities available for you at the UT Dallas and socialize with the other graduate students and participate in network opportunity that could potentially open doors for your future career. Our general meetings are scheduled for the last Friday of every month. We encourage everyone to participate and speak up that the problems that you're facing at UTD. This is an opportunity for all the grad students to raise their voice that the changes that they would like to have at graduate students at UT Dallas. As a fellow graduate students, I know this is endeavors comes with the unique opportunities and challenges. GSA recognizes this and strives to develop the networks that would benefit you. This year, GSA is eager to strengthen the sense of community among the graduate students at UT Dallas. We hope we can count on your supports to make our council better robust and inclusive voice for all the graduate students. College can be overwhelming, humbling, and even painful at times, although it is not easy. You all adapt to it eventually. It's like riding a roller coaster, but before riding it, you must convince yourself that you like roller coaster. So trust the process. I know UTD will help you to achieve your goals. Please reach out to me if I can help you in any way. GSA remains the mission to meet the need of graduate students at University of Texas at Dallas, so they can flourish the areas of life while receiving the degree from top-ranking university. Thank you for your time, and I wish you all the best.